Good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
At this point, you guys have done your assignment. The assignment was based on worksheet 1 and 2 of chapter 6. Okay, so I'm going to put the worksheet 1. This was page 81. Thank you. And 83. 81 and 83. Right, so at this point I just need you guys to mark your work. If you have any problems, please let me know. We will discuss what the problems are. Okay, is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Right. Let's move this over. Right, worksheet 1, page 81. First answer?
3AB.
3AB, absolutely. 3AB. Number 2?
4A.
4A. Correct. Number 3?
8 to the power 4.
8 to the exponent 4. And the next one?
8.
8. People, any problems there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the girl at the back, please mark.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please let me know if there is any issues. Then I'll try and explain what the problems are. Okay. So I'm moving over to number 6. I know number 5 and 10 is on the other section I cut out. But now we're going to 6 quickly. Okay, so what's the answer to number 6? Negative 16. The next one? Who says positive? It's wrong. It's negative. Why is it negative? Because if you got negative 2 to the 4, it's negative 2 times. Why are you not writing this stuff down, Michael? You must stand. What do you think? You just stand, look pretty. Huh? Negative 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Negative 16. Can you see that? If it was negative 2 raised to the power 4, that's negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2, which is positive 16. Okay. The next one? Sorry?
ABC.
What?
Number 7, sir.
Oh, number 7. A, B, C. Sorry, man. Number 8? 4A. Yes. Number 9? 6A, B, C. Any issues here? No problem. Okay. Okay. Number 5. Yes, 25. Yes. The next one. 8 to the exponent 5. You all agree with that? Next one. A squared B cubed. Right. Next. 6A cubed. The next one. 2 x cubed y. Any issues there? Yes, Michael.
Sir, I think you skipped number 10.
No, we didn't skip number 2.
He's going to go back. Oh.
Any issues here? No? There's over. There's your number 10. Number 10. 2 times 3? 6. A cube B. Okay. Why are you not writing to N? Number 6. Negative 12 x squared, yes. The next one? Correct. Next. Negative 24. Negative or positive? Positive. Negative times negative is positive. 24 A squared. The next one? Okay, so first on top, you will have negative 12x4 over negative 2x squared. Not so. Negative divided by negative is positive. 2 going into 1s. 2 going into 12. 6 times x. 4 minus 2 is 6x squared. It's absolutely correct. Any problems here? No? You haven't answered number 5, correct? Number 5, the answer is A squared. Number 10, 24, x to the power 4 is correct. How do we get that? So it's 3x squared times negative cube is negative 2 cube is 8x cubed over negative x. We multiply the top, positive times negative is negative, 3 times 8 is 24, x to the power 5 over negative x. Negative divided by negative, positive. 24x, 5 minus 1 is. Okay. Any issues here? No? Number 1. C, number 1. 4a? That's 5. We all agree with that? We group like terms here, no? 5a minus 1a is 4a. 8b minus 3b is 5b. Okay. The next one? 3x cubed minus 1x cubed is 2x cubed. Negative 7x squared, negative 7x plus 1x. Negative 6x, that's 7 minus 7 plus 1. 2x squared minus 2x squared cancel. So that's your answer, correct? The next one? Cannot be simplified, or is the answer is 5x minus 1. Why? Because they are unlike terms. They are unlike terms. Alright, the next one. D. What have you got standard? Uneka? Standard. So I see the two of you are making more jokes than anything else. Okay. So here we're doing a vertical addition. Not so. So what is 2x cubed minus 1x cubed? X cubed plus 5x cubed? 6x cubed. Negative 4x squared minus 3x squared. Negative 7x squared. Not so. 5x minus 7x? Negative 2x. Negative 2x minus 2x? Negative 4x. What's minus 4 minus 1? Minus 1. You all okay with that? Okay. And now we're looking at worksheet 2. And it's on page 83. Worksheet 2 on page 83. Okay. The first answer? 9a plus 2b. You all agree with that? The next one? Negative 6a. The next one? Any issues here? No? The next one? So it's going to be a squared is like this. So it's going to be negative 3a squared. 3a cubed minus 1a cubed is 2a cubed. Plus 2a cubed. 5a plus 3a is plus 8a. You all agree with that? The next one is 2a squared b minus ab squared. Why? They are unlike terms. Not so. Number 6. Those cancel. Any issues here, people? Any confusion here? No confusion at this point. Okay. Number 7. That's the answer to number 7. 6 m7. Next. You got 12 m to the exponent. 7. Let's see how we got that. So we need to apply the square first. So 2 squared is 4. M, 2 times 2 is also 4. Times 3m cubed. Could have stayed in a bracket, you know. 3 times 4 is 12. M4 times M3 is M7. When we're multiplying and faces are the same, we add the exponents. Don't forget. Okay. Next one. 20p. Can do it one of two ways. Either commutator first. You're going to add them in the bracket first, or what's the other one? Multiplying, which is called distributive. Distributive law and commutator. Okay. So here we're multiplying this out first. Not so. That's going to give us 8p plus 12p, which is 8p plus 12p is 20p. Well, I could have added them first. Going to give you 5p inside the bracket. 4 times 5p is 20p. The next one, can I apply the commutative law there? No. You have to go into distributive law. We must multiply that in. What do we get? 8p plus 12. The next one, we multiply that in. So that's going to give us 12a minus 18 plus 4a. What do we do now? Like terms. 12a plus 4a is 16a. Minus 18 plus 8. Minus 3. Next one is the same story. But here I can apply commutator first. Not so. Why? Because they are like terms. So it's going to be 3 in the brackets. 2a minus a. A plus 4 into 2a minus 2, 4a minus 2a, 2a. That's going to give us 3 times a is 3a plus 8a, which is 11a. Or if you had multiplied it out and then you added like terms, get the same solution. Okay, any problems here? That's 6 around. It's a lot. Right, let's look at number B1. See, subtract that from. So what happens? Whatever follows from, you write first. So it's going to be 4 minus 3a minus 6a squared minus, in brackets, 2a squared minus 3a plus 2. Why do we have a bracket there? More than one term following a negative sign. We multiply, get rid of this bracket. So we get 4 minus 3a minus 6a squared minus 2a squared plus 3a minus 2. Which is now, yes, now we're looking for like terms. You see, I'm always simplifying. I'm going to start writing things in descending powers of the variable now, from now on. Okay? But if you had written it jumbled up, it's fine, you won't be penalized for it. Okay? But you'll see me writing things in descending powers of a. So negative 6a squared minus 2a squared is negative 8a squared. Not 4. Minus 6a squared minus 2a squared. It's minus 8a squared. Okay? Negative 8a squared minus 3a plus 3a cancels. Not so. And 4 minus 2 is 2. Some of you would have 2 minus 8a squared. Not so. Which is also correct. Okay. Let's look at number 2. Number 2. This is subtract. Again, whatever follows from you, right? First. So negative 10a squared minus 3ab minus 8 minus 5 minus 2ab plus 6a squared. So that's negative 10a squared minus 3ab minus 8. And now we're getting rid of the brackets. Which gives us plus 5 plus 2ab minus 6a squared. So what we do now? Like terms. That and that is like terms. That and that is like terms. And that is on its own. So what is 10a squared minus 6a squared? Negative 16a squared. Negative 3ab plus 2ab. Negative ab. Minus 8 plus 5. Negative 5. Minus 3. Okay. Any issues here? Any confusion? Number 3, what must be added to give 5 minus 5a squared? So, how do we do this calculation? Which one is the bigger one? What must be added to this to give that? So that is your what you should. That is the answer, in other words. Not so. So if here was a 2. What must be added to 2 to give you 5 for argument's sake? 3. What must be added to 2 to give you negative 3? What must be added to 2 to give us negative 3? Negative 5. You guys get the idea? So if you can't visualize it in terms of the variable, as I'm hearing some of you can't, put numbers there and make a sentence for yourself. Did it make sense? Then what did we do? We said minus 5 minus 2, which is negative 5. Can you see that? So we take the resultant or the answer, which is 5 minus 5a squared minus 2a squared minus 3. Why do I have a bracket? More than one term, only a negative sign. Get rid of the brackets. It's going to be 5 minus 5a squared minus 2a squared plus 3. Again, we're looking for like terms. So what's minus 5a squared minus 2a squared? Negative 8a squared, not negative 7a squared. Not so? And what is 5 plus 3? 8. Alright. Again in number 4, what must be added to 4a minus 2 to give us negative 3? So the resultant or the answer is negative 3. So it's negative 3 minus 4a minus 2. So what do we do now? Get rid of the brackets. So minus 3 minus 4a plus 2. So it's going to be negative 4a. What's minus 3 plus 2? Negative 3 plus 2. Negative 1. Okay, any confusion here? You all okay with this? Okay. Yes? Yeah? It is right, yes, if you got the answer right. Negative 1 minus 4a.
No, my number 3 is.
You got 8 minus 7a squared.
I do have the answer, so I put 5 minus 5 is 2.
That's fine. The bracket is not going to have any effect if you put a bracket here. It doesn't make any difference. With a minus. So you wrote minus 2a squared minus 3 plus minus. Like that. You got the same answer. Okay. So this remains 2a squared minus 3, no? Minus 5 plus 5a squared. Okay. So what is minus 2a squared plus 5a squared? 3a squared. Minus 8. How is that the same answer? You got this answer? Good on. Because if you read what is asked, if that doesn't conform to whatever they're looking for. Okay. Any other confusion? All right. C. Number 1. What's his answer? That's going to give you 2a, not so. 2a times negative 2a is negative 4a squared. You all agree with that? Next. Negative 15a. Wrong. Negative 9a. So what you guys are doing is you're saying negative 3a minus 2a is negative 5a. No? Is that what you're doing? And then you times it by 3, which is going to give you negative 15. That is not correct. What am I supposed to be applying all the time? Bod mass. So that has to be done first. Okay, so it's going to be negative 3a minus 6a, which is negative 9a. You all agree with that? What's your answer to number 3? Negative xy is correct. Why? That needs to be done first. So it's going to be x minus x times y, xy minus x. So what do I do now? Look for like terms that cancels, leaves you a negative xy. The last one? 2x minus 4. Each one was over its own. Okay? Any confusion there? Right, number 7. Your answer to number 7? 9x minus 6. You all agree with it? 9x minus 6. Is that correct? You all agree with that? Right, next. X cubed, yes? Y squared. Y cubed. You all agree with that? Do I need to explain this one? Yes, okay. Okay, it's fine, it's fine. If one person say yes, it's fine. Yeah, yes, 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 yes. It's fine. I like doing this stuff, okay. Right, here we go. So, according to BODMAS, get rid of the brackets first. So what do we get? X cubed plus x times xy, x squared y. X times y, xy. Now we multiply the negative y times x squared, negative x squared y. Negative y times xy, negative xy squared. Not so. Negative y times y squared, negative y cubed. You all agree with that? Now what do we do now? Like terms. So x cubed is on its own, not so. X squared y.
So it's going to square on
On this one. Or there. Sorry, man. Yes, absolutely. I would have picked it up now because why? I know that this one here should have been like terms to this one here. Okay. So x squared y minus x squared y is what? X squared y minus x squared y. What's 1 minus 1? 0. So x squared y minus x squared y is 0. X squared y, which is 0. Xy squared minus xy squared, 0. So we have to minus y. Okay. Number 9, what's the answer to number 9? Negative. Put each one, of course, always have negative 3 x squared plus 2xy minus 4 y squared. Any confusion there? No. The next one. What's your answer here? X plus 2? X plus 1. Okay, one person give the answer. What do you guys have? One person? Yes? Negative x plus 1. Who got that? It's wrong. Anybody got something different? Yes? Wrong. Yes?
Negative x minus 1.
Wrong. Yes?
Negative x plus 3.
Okay, well done. Negative x plus 3. This is how it works. Of course, you put each one over its own, not so? So you got 3x over 3 plus 6 over 3 minus 12x over 6 minus 6 over 6. Not so? But what's the rule? When it comes to a negative, if it's more than one term, following a negative sign, put the brackets around. Not so? That now gives us 3x over 3 gives me x plus 6 over 3 2 minus 12x over 6 2x negative 1. Not so? Now we get rid of the brackets. So it's x plus 2 minus 2x plus 1. Can you see that, people? So you got x minus 2x. What's x minus 2x? Minus x. Not so? What is 2 plus 1? Not the O, it's an x. Any confusion here? No? Then we got number 5 and 6. So turn back the page back. Why are you paging back as if you did the work? Right, number 5. What's your answer to number 5? XY? Huh? What match first? X minus XY plus Y. Is there any like terms? No. The next one. It's going to be X minus Y minus X plus 1. Like terms cancel. Answer is 0. Okay. Alright, next. That's it. Okay. Listen. For Monday. Whoops, not grade 9 yet. Almost. Because first pass of maths test, how can you get there? Right, listen. For homework. Again, the assignment. Going to check. It's going to be worksheet 3. And worksheet 4. You should be able to do both. Worksheet 3 and 4. Okay, that's on page 85 and 80. 5 and 6. 85 and 86. Otherwise, you guys will be joining these two girls. They will stand for 3 days. This is today. Are you going to put them on Monday? Huh? And you will say break. And yes, you'll stand in your maths meeting. Like this. You made me look like a fool. Okay? Did you write down what the homework is? Huh? Yes. You must still have it done, but still you will stand Monday. The test people will be based on worksheet 1 and 2, as well as this exercise we are busy with, which is rational numbers, and this exercise, which is exercise 2. Okay, so I'm going to send you a copy of a photo of the full memo of this. So the full memo, the full paper will be examinable. Okay, so it's going to be exercise 2. The test on Monday is exercise 2, worksheet 1 and worksheet 2. Okay. But for homework, you guys only did the odd numbers, not so? Yes. Alright. So let's mark that quickly. Yes? No, Anna won't be leaving us, Michael. Anna you will see in the next period. But she will come now before the period's even over. Right, what's the first answer? Let's move this over. Okay, just hang on. Too fast. Right, the first answer is 17 over 6. Does anybody have anything other than that? Oh my word. What did you get? Of course not. Because at 30 over 12 already, you see a common factor that can be simplified. So your answer is actually 15 over 30 over 12. So it's 5 over 6. 30 over 12. 6 goes into here 15 times, and 6 goes in 5 times. And 6 goes into here twice. So your answer is actually 2 over 5 over 2, which is not correct. Just tell me, what did you have written down there, Michael?
So it's 20 over 3.
You got 20 over 3 is?
Minus 25 over 6.
That's 18. That's your mistake. Should have been 23 over 6. Okay. Alright, what's your answer to number 3? What's the answer to number 3, people? Negative? So 100 and? There we go, 123 over 14. How did we get that? We say, we add, multiply and add. Negative 11 over 2 minus 21, 2, 3. So 23 over 7. LCM is 14, you times it by 7, so it's negative 77. Times 2 is negative 46. The signs are the same, so we can add them. It's 11, 12. 123 over 14 is good. Okay. What's your answer to number 5? Number 5. Negative 35a over 9. Simplify. Did you simplify? So is that what this is in simplified form? So it's actually negative 70a over 18, which gave you this here. Okay. You want me to explain that? Are you guys good with that? Good, right? Let's take this out here. Number 7. What's your answer, number 7? What? What is your answer, Michael? 7? 7a over 4. You all agree with that? Who disagree? Who agrees with this? What do you have? Huh? So you got negative 2a plus, we change this to improper, 12, 13, 14, 15a over 4. Your LCM is 4. You times by 4, I get negative 8a, times by 1 is 15a. Negative 8 plus 15. That's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 7a over 4. Well done. Nice. Okay. Let's look at number 11. What's your answer to number 11? 7x over 15. 15 or 5? 15. Alright, let's check. It's going to be 5 over 3x minus 6x over 5. LCM is 15, you times by 5. So it's going to be 25x, you times by 3. It's negative 18x. 25 minus 18 is 7x over 15. How do you get 5? Okay. Number 13. What's our answer number 13? 2. You all agree with 2? 2x over 18. Let's check. Okay, so hang on. Negative 2x. So what's our LCM? What's the LCM? Okay, with 3. Okay, 9 going to 3. So what you do is you check, okay, the biggest denominator. Okay, settle down. The biggest denominator is 9. Okay, 3 going to 9. Okay, so 9 is your LCM. So you don't have to go to 18. Can you see that, people? You multiply that by 3 to get 9. So negative 2x times 3 is negative 6x. 9 times what is 9? 1. So negative 1x times 1 is negative x. So that's going to give us negative 6. Stop using your head. Use your number line. Negative 6 minus 1 is negative 7x over. Okay. So answer to number 15. So answer to number 15. Number 15. What's the LCM here? 3P. Okay. 3P times what is 3P? 1. Times by 1 I get 2. P times what is 3P? 3. 3 times 3 is 9. It's going to be 11 over 3. Number 17. Yes? Don't know. That is over 1. Not so. So what's my LCM? Boyfriend. Psst. You must sanitize.
Oh, it's you.
So what's the LCM? 2. So you multiply that by 1. 1 times P, P. 1 times what is 2? 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Can I add or subtract him?
No.
Why? Unlike that. Okay. What do you want to still do with it? Now my question is, what else can we do? So I'm also just asking. You're getting upset if I ask you a question. How must I feel when you ask me a question? Huh? I'm going on with you, man. I make a joke. Nothing personal. I like doing this stuff. What's wrong with you? What do you talk about number 16? You're supposed to only do odd numbers. What's wrong with you? You did everything. Definitely something wrong with you. Okay. So you say something right with you.
No, sir. But I think I
There's nothing right with you, but nothing wrong. Okay. We'll come to terms with it. Okay. Here we go. Number 9. What's your LCM here? 56. 3 times that by? 8. 5x times 8? 40x. Times that by? 7. 21x. Which is? 19x over? Nice. Then there's one more sum, no? You need to do. Number 19. What's the LCM? xy. So this must be multiplied by y. So the 4 times y? 4y. That must be multiplied by 1. Negative 3. Can I do anything else there? No. Why? Unlike this. Will you guys understand? So for homework, you got worksheet 3 and 4, as well as the odd even numbers of exercise 2 on page 64. You will enjoy the rest of your day and your weekend. Good morning, class.